Alrighty, so this is the new house. This is the giant 100-year magnolia tree in the front that I'm not sure gets to stay, but we'll find out. We have a picket fence, always nice in a house. And then big front porch, 2 stories. I'm gonna walk you in and you get to see the inside. The garden's very pretty, but it hasn't had water in a month or so, so we're gonna have to sort that out. They left this. David's gonna do some repair work and we'll leave it on the porch. So, the living room. It has built-in shelves and cupboards. And then the staircase. And then here's the living room. It has sort of an entry area. And then we have a fireplace with windows, lots of good windows. Popcorn ceiling, that's next. That gets taken down first. And then here is the dining room. It all has radiator heat, but we are gonna have to add air conditioning. I think this lamp will be good, except it needs a bath. All right, dining room. And then from the dining room, there is the place called my room. This will be my room, my little office-y space. It can also be a master bedroom. It has no ceiling lights, so we're gonna have to figure out the lighting problem in here, which I'm glad I just noticed. It has a little bathroom. The bathroom's gonna be redone with a shower because as we age, we can turn this into our master bedroom. Oh, and then I'll show you. And then there's a door that I think this used to be a porch or something. A back porch and out to the backyard, which is overgrown. And then there are 2 outbuildings that are in rough shape, but we'll be addressing those. Little patio, or big patio, as the case may be. All right, now I'm gonna walk you back into the dining room. And, oh, and there's a built-in cabinet, which we are excited about. Here's the hinge door that goes into the kitchen. The kitchen is going to need lots of work, and it is slotted to be second, we believe. 2 windows in the kitchen. And then this cool, I think this used to be a porch, like a porch to come in from the driveway, but it's now like a full-on pantry. This is why I think that is the ceiling. Somebody did something there. And then this room has a corner cabinet. We think we're gonna try and put a cabinet here because this is all gonna go. This will be drawers and then floor to ceiling cabinets. The sink's gonna move under the second window. The stove is gonna be built in. We're gonna move the fridge, this fridge or another fridge, into the laundry room, which is this way. So this also we think used to be the porch. And through this is where the radiator is and the electrics. So this is the laundry room. This is the funkiest old sink on the planet. The washer drains out, but if I turn on that tap, it doesn't drain out. So I may be moving this outside to use for fleece cleaning, but we shall see. So this is the laundry room. It's not going to get very much attention yet. My grandma used to have this flooring, so I'm kind of a little bit fond of it. Shelves, lots of storage. So there's another pathway into the kitchen. This used to be the telephone room. It's a little closet. We think we're gonna put a bookshelf in here or maybe a bar. We're not sure. And then under the stairs here, this goes all the way back, lots of storage, and turns left and right, which is interesting. Oh, and look, David, the electricity is just all exposed under there. I mean, the wire. All right, up the stairs. Here's the railing here. This is a funky little thing. I'd love to find the original plans and see if these were original or not. Or if there was nothing here, maybe. So up the stairs, these are the coolest things. At first I thought it was an intercom system, but these are light switches, which is pretty darn cool. Up the stairs to a very wallpapered upstairs. Here's one bedroom and the Again, ceilings. We need to be careful of these lights. These are original lights. This is the back bedroom, and it's much quieter. I think we're probably gonna take this as our bedroom. They have pretty decent sized closets. I've been impressed by the depths of the closet. Nice molding. 2 windows on every side. Another skinny little radiator. And then I'm going to show you the bedrooms first. This is probably considered the master bedroom. It's probably the biggest of all of them. Although I think it's going to become, at least temporarily, David's office. So here's one of the armoires that we rushed to get last week. One of them. Kind of cool. I've never owned the safety ladders. We're going to have to figure out how to keep that closed though, because this mechanism is gone. So I don't know how we're going to keep this closed. We're going to have to figure it out. But it's a cute cabinet. This too has a walk-in closet. This is a dresser we bought too to have in this room. But pretty decent sized closet with another window in it. And then the third bedroom. Another armoire we bought. This is the third bedroom. We bought this dresser because it was nice and big. And then this has a pretty decent sized closet as well. Not quite as big as the other two. And then, oh, more storage, which we love. Built-in storage. The bathroom. The bathroom is going to need some work. So the toilet's relatively new. The bathtub has not been touched since this house was built, I would imagine. So it needs work. So tub's leaving, sink's leaving. This window has a break in it. And then this little weirdy closet. We're not sure what we're gonna do with this setup. But that is the upstairs. And then there is an attic. So there's attic access. I just noticed that. There are some lights that I want to keep in these 2 bedrooms, but then there are lights that we'll need to change. But the ceiling guy is coming tomorrow, and he's going to take all this down, take the ceilings down. Oh, look, somebody painted over wallpaper here. That's interesting. Okay, this is all from here.